Yo, back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy. And today we have the JBL Flip 5. I'm gonna break it down with my time and my experience using this speaker. Right now, this speaker is going for 130 bucks. But also, you can get it refurbished on Amazon for like 97 bucks. I'll put that link down in the description below so you guys can click that and then see a price and check it out yourself. So if you want a brand new one, it'll be 130. If you have no problem getting refurbished, it'll be 100 bucks. I bought multiple refurbished speakers from Amazon. My JBL Extreme 2 is refurbished and that thing is perfect. So it also comes in about, I think it's like 14 colors. So there's 14 colors in this speaker. I think it's like yellow, pink, a whole bunch of them. Like I'll show them right here. Look at all these colors. Now there's 14 different colors, but one thing with the refurbish, I just checked right now before I recorded this. The refurbish has like 6 colors. And other than the black, and I think it's the camel or the blue, the other colors always say like 3 left in stock, 2 left in stock. So there's only 6 colors in the refurbish, and they always seem to be almost selling out. So that's another thing. Definitely go down there and see if they have the color you like or they have the color of someone you're trying to get the speaker for. All right, so when it comes to the battery life of this speaker, it says you're gonna get like 12 hours. I normally like to take 3 hours off of that because when you're playing a speaker on full blast, it's gonna die quicker. It's just what we're used to with speakers. But one thing I will say, when my first test, the first day I took it out to work, I used it like from the morning till I was done. And it didn't die. It was like, and I took it to work the next day and it didn't die. The speaker would not die, but I didn't play it loud. I normally play the speakers on full blast, but I was in the office and I had it at like a decent volume. I had it like 1 or 2 notches under half, which was a good volume for me to hear clearly, no problem, and it was not disturbing to other people. Other people could definitely hear it in the office, but it sounded really good. And for those 2 days, the speaker, I was trying to kill the speaker. I was like, why wouldn't it die? And it went like past, it was like 14 something hours, and I was like, the speaker would not die. And finally it died, when I got home. It was a long time. So under like half volume, like 2 notches down, you can get a good amount of battery life out of this speaker. All right, now you're probably gonna ask me, Robbo, I want to have it by the pool. If it gets wet, will it get damaged? It won't. It's IPX7, meaning it's waterproof. You don't have to worry about it. It can drop in the water. You'll pull it out, and then the music will still be playing. It'll push all the water out of there and fix itself up and get dry. Don't have to worry about it near a pool, any of that. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of speakers IPX67. I think their Charge 5 might be. But IPX67 means they're dust and waterproof, like nothing's getting in here. But for this one, it's only IPX7. So just be careful with the dust and at the beach and stuff with this one. But water-wise, you're going to be good. Don't have to worry about rain, pool, none of that. You're all set. All right, but so as you see, this is a nice little close-up look. It is pretty small compared to, the Charge 5, which is a little bit bulkier. And then you got your buttons on top. You do have a party mode. If you hit this, the best way to connect your JBL speakers to get them connected is not through the app. The app is the worst way to connect multiple speakers. What you want to do is just play music, hit this button, and if you have a Charge 5, just hit the same button on this one, or the Extreme 3, hit the same button. They'll all just connect and link up. It's better to use just this button. Do not use the app. The app is horrible. JBL, you guys need to fix that. The app is horrible. And add EQ to it too. So down here as well, this is where your battery life will be. So when you start up the speaker, let's see. Let's turn it on. And right here, we see you got a full charge because I'm ready to go put this in a versus battle. So we got the battery full and you get a full charge. And it'll slowly drop down as you die. You got a USB Type-C slot to charge up. And then here goes your Bluetooth and your power button. And also you have a string right here. So if you guys want to hang this on a fence, on a tree, you just want to at a higher elevation, you just want to hang it somewhere, keep it out the way. You can do that with this. Also, you can probably, wrap it on your bag somewhere and all that. So yeah, and the weight is not too heavy. It's not too heavy. So let's do a sound test, buds.
Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito. Sabi na tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto. Pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato. Di kailangan inerhiyan yung negatibo. Nagpapapilra ka, uy, ay tuga-tuga. Pahawa na diha, wamamoy kapuga. Dukot na linong at hugaw mo tanaw. Wanin nyo na tungkad, grabe rakalaw.
Alright, bud, so there you go. That was the little sound test. So I just want to give you my thoughts of how the speaker sounds. One thing I will say is that the JBL Flip 5 is, for the size that it is, it's pretty darn loud. I give it that. And it's not too far off from the Charge 5. you know, like quality wise. The mids are nice. It has a nice little bass. For the size of how small this is, I do like the little bass that it has. I give it, you know, a thumbs up on that, JBL. The highs, they don't get too crazy. They don't hurt your ears. They're not harsh. They're not piercing, you know, with people's S's and the hi-hats and all that. It's very under controlled. So sound quality overall, I really like it. I think it's their second best speaker right now. I think the Charge 5 is a beast. I think they nailed it with that. I think the Flip 5 is the second best speaker. Better than the Extreme 3 because the Extreme 3 is overpriced and I don't feel like you're getting everything you should out of it. But with this speaker, for 120, I say hit the refurbished for 100. You're definitely getting your money's worth out of this speaker. You would not be disappointed, especially with the size. If you're trying to get something smaller, you will really like the speaker buds. I do give it a thumbs up. It surprised me. I thought it was gonna be a little bit weaker than what it was, but it sounded really good. And I used it at work, and there was no moment where I was just like, I can't wait till I'm done testing this out so I can go back to one of the other speakers I like, you know. So this thing held its own. I liked it, and we're gonna do some sound versus battles with it after this video. So you guys want to subscribe so you guys can check those out when I post those, because those are coming as well, probably like next week or something. All right, but so there you have it. That was my quick little breakdown, and I just want to say I'm not no audiophile. I'm just one consumer breaking down a product for another consumer. So if you guys like that and like the simple terms I'm breaking down these products in, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for helping me get over 10,000 subscribers. It means so much to me. Next, we're gonna go hit 100,000. The crew is gonna grow bigger. So if you guys wanna join the crew, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. Peace.